Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about Topstep promo codes. Alright, so let's begin. If you're looking for Topstep promo codes that actually work, here are some commonly circulated ones traders often try. Some widely shared codes include apply 25 around 25% off, MT 25 approximately 25% off, trip 20 around 20% off, futures 15 about 15% off. These codes are usually meant for discounted access to the trading combine or evaluation subscription. However, availability changes frequently and some codes may expire without notice. You can also check third-party coupon websites like Simply Codes, where users often list recently tested codes. Discounts shown there may range between 15%, 20%, 25%, or even 50% off during special promotions. That said, not every listed code is guaranteed to work. Important note, many traders report that Topstep already applies standard promotional pricing automatically during certain periods. That means some codes may not stack on top of existing discounts, or you might already be receiving the lowest available rate without entering anything. Always double check the final price before confirming your purchase. If the total does not change, the code may be expired or not valid for your selected account size. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.